Hi everyone. You are welcome to Expert IQ channel where I teach maths and make maths very simple for you. As for today, I'm going to take you, let's look at what is on the board, areas and volumes of some shapes So what I'm going to do is we are trying to find some areas and the volume of some shapes which I've listed here: triangle, rectangle, square, cylinder, and a cone. And I bet you this will take us less than 10 minutes for us to be able to find it. Are you okay? You don't need to worry yourself to always chew the formulas within your head. Are we okay? Don't worry yourself to chew the formulas. When they give you the shape, when they give you the figure, you will be able to drive your own formula. Please watch this video, follow it step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press on the notification bell. Anytime I release a new video, you will get a new one to watch. Please, let's get started. So now, if I say area is just a total space covered by something. Are we okay? So let's look at this one. Let's start one after the other. I'll be drawing them. I say a triangle. Are we okay? What is a triangle? A triangle is any shape that has three sizes figure. Are we okay? So this is a triangle. Let me say A, B, and C. Are we okay? From this point up to this point is the height of this triangle. Are we okay? A triangle can also come with an angle. It has an angle. This sided corner has an angle. Are we okay? It always has an angle. Are we okay? So now, the area of a triangle without any angle given is always equals to half base times height. Are we okay? Half base times height. So the area of this triangle, please, this is a basis, so just take it. Half times base times height. Are we okay? So this is the area of this triangle. A triangle, we can't find the volume of a triangle because if you can't pour water inside this triangle. Am I lying? So there's no need to find. You can't even find the volume, because if I have a figure which is of a triangular form, I can't say find the volume. What volume? Is it the space occupied by it or what? So we always find the area of that triangle. Let's look at the second one, which is 2, rectangle. Rectangle. Please, and what I want you to do is that in every shape, these two shapes, you can see that there's an angle under it. I hope you are getting me. So a rectangle is a figure that has two sides equal. So this is what a rectangle is. Here and here. If here is A, here should be A. If here is B, here should be B. This is what we call a rectangle. So the area of this rectangle, always you multiply the side by the width. Are we okay? The breadth and width. This is the width and this is the length. Are we okay? The width is A. So area of the rectangle is equal to width times the length. Are we okay? Which is equal to, the width is what? A, and the length is B. So this is the area of the rectangle. Let's look at the third one, which is a square. Someone will ask, what is a square? A square is a figure that has all the sizes equal. Are we okay? So this is a square. If here is A, here will be A, here to be A, and here to be A. So if I ask you to find the area of this square, what you need to do is just take one side of it and square it. Are we okay? So the area of the square, area of this square, will be equal to, just take one side and square it. Or you can say A times A. Please, are we okay? This is the area of a square. Let's look at the fourth one, which is a cylinder. Please, this is most challenging. Please follow through, you will get it. A cylinder is any shape or any figure that has two circular shapes, both the base and the top. Are we okay? So, for example, if you look at a tin, a milk tin is a very good example of a cylinder. So this is how a cylinder is. Watch it. This is how a cylinder is. Okay. So you see something like this, it's like a milk tin. The milk you normally take, we used to take our tea. This is a very good example of a cylinder. It has a circular base and it has a circular top. Are you okay? So all their spaces are circular. Now, they have given you this shape facing because it carries certain volume. You can put water inside. You see, this cylinder, we can decide to break this cylinder. Please, are you okay? I can decide that I want to cut off this circle, cut off the down circle too. Please, are you okay? So you can get something like, when I cut off this one and cut off this one, I'll get one circle here. I can get another circle here. So let me say this is a down circle and this is a top circle. It's left with this, the middle one that always contain the volume of whatever substance you pour inside. So now I'll get it round like this. If I get it round like that, I can decide to break it to get a rectangular shape. Or am I lying? So I can decide to break it and get a rectangular shape like this. Yes. Yes, I can decide to break it to get a rectangular shape like this. And it's very true. During our childhood time, when we were trying to use, a milk tin to make certain things like small cars to drive, when we cut off the top, we cut off the down. Now, we try to break through and get a rectangular shape. Are we okay? So let's look at something. This is where I've cut off, I've decided to cut off this circle, and this is where I've cut off this circle. So I've had something like this. I have something like this, very simple. This is the top circle. So now, let's bring our mind to something. From here to here is where I've removed this circle. So it means that this is the circumference of the circle. Are we okay? And circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. Am I lying? And that is it. From here up to here doubles as the height of this cylinder. And it's the same thing as it. From here to here will be the height of the cylinder. Are we okay? And the circle, the area of a circle is equal to what? Pi r squared. Area of this circle to be what? Pi r squared. So now, I've told you that to find the area of, the area of a rectangle, you multiply the length times breadth. The length is what? H. And the breadth is what? 2 pi r. So you get 2 pi r times h, which is equal to 2 pi r h. So the area of this rectangle too, you get 2 pi r h. So now, I've decided to split it into pieces. So the area of a cylinder, area of this cylinder, will be equals to the area of this circle plus the area of this rectangle plus the area of this circle too. Please, are we okay? So the area of this circle is what? Pi r squared. Plus the area of this rectangle is what? 2 pi r each. Plus the area of this circle to pi r squared. This is equal to pi r squared plus pi r squared will give us 2 pi r squared. This is basic mathematics, 2 pi r each. So we can decide to even factorize 2 pi r out of it. 2 pi r. We can get r plus h. Are we okay? So this is the area of this cylinder. You see, very simple. So when you enter inside the exams and they even give you the shape without giving, you don't know the formula of it, you don't need to struggle yourself. Just follow through this step. Break, make sure that you dismantle the shape into pieces and work out for the area. Now, what I want you to put in your mind is that, let's look at the volume, because this is something, volume of the cylinder, This is something that we can put water inside, because volume of any figure is always equal to base area times height. Base area times height. Are we okay? Base area times height. And now, the base area of this cylinder is a circle, the area of the circle. Are we okay? Which is what? pi r squared times the height, which is h. So it will be equal to pi r squared h. So now, always remember, area of any substance that can carry, any shape that or any figure that can carry a substance is always equal to the base area of that substance times the height. So this is the area, the volume of the cylinder. Are we okay? So let's look at the last one, which was a cone. The fifth one. That's the fifth one, please. Which is a cone. Let me use a red marker for you to see it well. The cone. The fifth one, which is the cone. A cone is any figure or any shape that has a circular base and an apex. So this is how a cone is. I said it has a circular base and has an apex. So this is the apex and this is the circular base I'm talking about. So I want us to best our mind into something. Let's look at something. It's very simple. What we are trying to do is that we are trying to get it from, both the area and the volume of this, of this shape. So this cone, we can decide to dismantle it, or we can see that we can get a rectangle, a triangle out of it. So you can get something like this, and a circle. Am I lying? So the area of a circle is always equal to pi r squared. And the area of a triangle, which I told you, is a half times the base times the height. Are we okay? Half base times height. So total area of this cone will be equal to the area of this circle plus area, which is pi r squared plus half base times height. And that depicts the area of this cone. So, and I told you that the volume of a cone is always equal to base, a volume of any figure is always equal to base area times height. But in this case, let's look at something. I have a cylinder here. I have a cylinder like this. Let me say I have a little thing. Now, I can, let me say this is a center, it's a center, and I'll draw something like this. Pictorially, I can see that I can get 3 times cone here. 1, 2, 3. Am I lying? There are 3 of the cones inside the cylinder. So now, it means that when I fetch water 3 times of a cone and fill it inside the cylinder, I will get it full. Are we okay? So now, this means that the volume of the cone, will be equal to 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. Please, are we okay? And the volume of the cylinder we found was equal to what? Pi r squared h, which is pi r squared h. This is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Are we okay? 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press on the notification bell anytime I release a new video, and don't also forget to like the video. Please leave your comment section, leave in the comment section your comment, anything you don't understand. I will take you through in my next video. There are more shapes that I will take you through. Don't always chew the formulas in your head. Are we okay? Don't chew the formulas in your head. They are very, very simple, and they are easy ways you can find each formula of any shape. Any shape. My next video, I'll take you through, I'll dismantle a trapezium, a cuboid, any of the shape, and try to tell you, I'll tell you step after the step, how you'll be able to find, both the area and the volume of each shape. Please, I say again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press on the notification bell. Anytime I release a new video, you'll get something to watch. And my senior high school student, you know it. Please, always subscribe to the YouTube channel. Anytime I will teach you I'll release a new video, you will watch. You'll get some to watch. Thank you very much.